Okay, I'm trying to try OBS with Facebook Live for the first time. Not live yet, but I'm gonna set up. So you see, we got this FPV crate right here. I'm gonna try to connect this to stream and maybe post it in like Quadaholics, maybe Alien Whoop, maybe a couple other groups or something, and then we can see what's in this box. I'm very excited. All right, let's try this. So it says, ooh, fetching video stream. That seems to be working. All right. Share on your timeline. Do. Okay, here we go. Opening the August FPV. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Alright, yeah, why not? There we go. I think that's okay. Alright, let's do it. Now, if only I could figure out how to share it, that would be so great. I guess maybe I'll just share the link. All right. Let's see. Let me share it with a couple more people. Not a couple more people, but a couple more groups, maybe. Share. All right. Let's see. So this is what we got here. Let's see what else. Where else can I share this? I'm gonna share this to maybe safety third. Pop, pop, pop. All right, so here we go. Got a couple of people watching. Great. So this is the first FPV crate that I got. I'm not sure what was in the other one, but this is, I didn't actually subscribe to the first one. So hey everybody. So this is the one that I got. It's got a weird smell to it. And it's got this like little busted up corner here, but I think for the most part it's fine. I'm gonna chalk that smell up to being dropped in transit, maybe on some like dirty street or something. But let's see. So just from the weight of it, I can kind of tell that I didn't win the drone, because I guess they give away a drone or something. And a couple other like higher end prizes, but I could tell that there's like multiple different things in there. So all right, let's give it a shot. Let's see what's in here. My name is Ilya, by the way. My pilot name is Sylph, and my that's what it says up here in the corner. Or is that? Yeah, up here in the corner. My YouTube channel is Winter FPV. That's my last name, Ilya Winter. So here, let's see what's in here. Oh man, that does not smell great. Hope this. Yeah, it definitely kind of leaked through the plastic, unfortunately. Oof. Somebody was not happy that I was getting an FPV crate. Alright, here we go. Let's do a little bit of an unboxing here. Alright. Whoop. I guess it opens this way. Let's get rid of my info there. Whoa! Alright. Not too shabby. Let's see what we got here. We got a little thank you card. Let's see here. Oh man, see, I don't want to I don't want to open this thank you card because it lists every single thing right here. Just inside I can see. Oop. Okay, all right. But let's see. So it says, have some bonus cash on us. So I got a little Diatone card right here. Love Diatone. We do too. Use coupon code Diatone. So I'm just giving away all my coupon codes here. Have some bonus cash. This is a beta FPV thing here. Bye-bye. Yeah, so we got some coupon codes here. We got some, looks like a bunch of stickers. So yeah. Ooh, looks like a hat. All right, so let's check out these stickers here. Private property. What does it say? Private property. Power loops, epic dives, all the gaps. No questions asked. Drone pilot on board. Oh man, these are going on my buddy's car. Let's see here. Send it, some bando. Nice background sticker action. Alright, okay, alright, I'll take it. I mean, I'm gonna have to take it. And we got some, ooh, an FPV Crate hat. Okay. Alright. Something. It's not too bad. I mean, I would have been honestly a little bit happier with, you know, a hat that's from a brand or something that's not specifically FPV Crate. That would have been a lot cooler. But okay, alright, let's see what else we got. So, Mamba system. So we got one of these guys. Find out what it is. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this looks like an FC. This looks like a full-on flight controller. Sweet. So let's see, what is this? PDB here? No. Oh, this is like. Oh, that's cute. So it looks like they. There's nothing labeled on. Oh no, there is. So this is a flight controller. It's got like a little layout diagram thing here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but ooh, can you see? Maybe this camera will be better. Come on. This one doesn't want to zoom. Anyway, so yeah, this there we go. It's got a little like layout that just shows you where all the what all the pads are. This is cool. So this is like a flight controller. That's good to have. Maybe I'm gonna use that on one of my new builds. Ooh, some LEDs here. This looks like some. Yep, just. See, I thought it was maybe some racing wires with LEDs on them, but this looks like it's just LEDs. That's okay. That's cool. You can like soup up a build or something. Nice little rod bubble stuff here. All right, we got props. So these are. Let's see here. I like the color. So they're T5146 green T-motor props. That's what that is. They look pretty cool. They look pretty sleek. I'm excited to try these out. They look like they have a really nice curve to them. Like not just in the shape themselves, but right here. Like if you can kind of see. See, it's not just like straight across. It looks like it's got a really nice curve. So I'm very excited to try these. New props are always good, and they look like they're pretty fluorescent. I bet if I hit them with a black light, they're gonna look super cool. All right, and then we got this Diatone display stander. All right, well, here we go. So let's see. Anti-fake, Diatone.us. So, I mean, I'm glad that they have some Diatone stuff in here. I do like that, but again, I'd rather have something functional than a display stand, because I can print my own display stands. I can, you know, come up with whatever. What is this? What are these? Some kind of pads. And we got like a little. I mean, what is this display stand for? Is this supposed to be for a 3-inch or a 5-inch or what? Because I thought FPV Crate is supposed to be for 5-inch, right? This looks like it's for 3-inch. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I did just order a Diatone 6S 3-inch, so this might be kind of useful, but. I mean, still, I mean, this is what you're supposed to be, you know, from what I understand, FPV Crate is supposed to be a, a 5-inch thing. But I mean, okay, again, not too happy with this. I'd rather, I mean, I get it's an accessory or whatever, but I mean, I'd rather have like, throw in a lollipop antenna or something. Throw in something that I can actually use rather than a display stand. I mean, I don't know. For $70 all around, like it's not. You know, I feel like most of the money went into this hat. You know, I'm not. This is like a $30. What's going on here? Well, I got the flight controller, so definitely happy about that. Don't have to worry about building. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. Maybe I'm going to rearrange some of my flight controllers. Maybe finally build that nutmeg. Although no, this is not. I guess I want to use something like a 20 by 20 by 20 cube for the nutmeg. Maybe I'll just build build another quad. Who knows? So yeah, so let's see. If we're gonna look at that list again, now we can actually read this, right? So we got Diatone Mamba F722S flight controller, right? We got FPV Crate Edition Snapback cap. Yeah, see, it's $25 for the Snapback cap. I don't need an FPV Crate hat. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm glad, but it's like also you're deciding somebody's style. It's like, here, wear this hat. I mean, looks like it's a pretty nice quality hat, but I guess I'm just complaining at this point. Diatone quad display stand, $15. Some Get FPV cards, some RGB ARM LED boards, and then an FPV sticker sheet for $2. Yeah, so all right. I mean, not the most exciting thing, honestly. I was hoping for some more parts, not this fashion accessory here that's like takes up the second biggest chunk of of the crate. But hey, it was worth a shot. I guess it's a bit of a gamble, right? All right, so that's pretty much it. We got some propellers. We got a display stand for what looks like a 3-inch. We got some lights. And everyone's complaining about this crate, right? And the flight controller. I mean, honestly, if I wanted a flight controller, I would buy one for $40 and then save the other 30, I guess. I don't know. All right, well, that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. I don't know. I mean, I'm going to stay on. I think I'm going to stay on, honestly. See what the next crate is, just for shiggles. Maybe I'm going to continue doing these videos to create some YouTube content. Maybe that'll be worth just the, subscription alone. Just consistently forcing me to make videos and put them out. Kind of disappointed in this crate, not going to lie. Don't really care for the stickers so much. They're kind of like very like aggressive, like, yeah, drone, yeah, I'm a drone guy. Fucking send it. The hat's like whatever. I'm not really gonna wear this. Maybe I'll probably give it away to somebody. The props, they look cool, but this is like $2. This is $2 worth of cool stuff. I mean, this Diatone stand. I mean, FPV Crate specific Diatone stand, great. What if people don't have something to use this for? Also, people usually hang their drones. We got some LED lights, and we got a flight controller. Officially, the only worthwhile thing in here. Well, that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Let me turn this thing off.